As police officers were making an arrest, the people recording had some hilarious things to say, which had law enforcement react in a way you could not have guessed.
Let me back up before they shoot this bitch. I'll get caught in the crossfire. There she go.
Hey Tim, we got.
There she go, ladies and gentlemen. The moment y'all been waiting for.
Damn.
They got her.
She carrying you. Yo, free. Yo, he's carrying her like a book bag. You can't carry the other girl like that, though. He was carrying her.
Like a transport.
You missing one more, though. It was two, nah?
We got it.
Okay. You can't carry the other one like that.
Hurt my back.
The other one was big as hell.